Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add event calendar or calendar to your Weebly site. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you're gonna click on it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is a good company with a lot of widgets for Weebly site, and one of them is calendar. Now just click here, sign up for free, and when you're gonna create an account, let's click login. In login, you will be here in applications. Here, you want to write event or calendar. Nice, create a widget. When you will have it, you can choose which widget you want. You can go also like upcoming webinars, upcoming events, university events, classes, really up to you, city even. So let's go into university, we will edit it and I'll show you. And then you get like a lot of them here that you can use. So first we can see it here, exhibition, okay. Here today, booked, okay. Event type, I can go and write here artistic. See, quite simple. Venue, you can add the venue, host, text, even color, you can go. Like whatever you want, maybe this one here, that's cool. So when we have it, layout, again, you can go with the list, you can go with the grid, masonry, slider even. I will leave the list now. Okay, then you have settings. View event details in pop-up, go to button link, okay, style, and you can play with the colors here. It's really simple. Now just click save, and when you will have it, you can choose between a light plan, which is like $0 per month, and test it out. I recommend that, or go with the basic, and that's $5 a month, like for 5,000 views, or go with all applications. We will get to it, and just you have 14-day money back guarantee, so you can test whatever you want. So when we have the, let's go with the light version, and let's have a code here. Let's go to Weebly. Now I will just embed code here, and look at that. So click this custom HTML, and let's wait, and voila, you got it. Really cool, really cool upcoming events that you can edit all the time in L-Site, and it's pretty cool. So again, you got all applications for $15 a month that you can have. Check them out here. Some of them are really good. Some of them can be useful for you, for your site. Or just choose like the single application. It's completely up to you. So thank you. Have a great day, everybody, and goodbye.